navigation bars. So actually navigation bars is nothing but a menus. Okay, so for each and every application we need navigation bars, either vertical navigations or horizontal navigation. We have two types of navigations available, that is vertical navigations are and horizontal navigations. So using these navigation bars, we can redirect from one page to another page within our application. Okay, within the same application. So you can take any website as example, like yeah, here you can take GoToMeeting website. So here you can find features, okay, pricing, fact, support, join meeting, and host a meeting. So this is the uh, horizontal navigation bar. Okay, so when you click on features menu, so it will redirect to features page. Okay, when you click on pricing menu, it will redirect to pricing page. So like this, you can redirect from home page to another page within the same application. Okay, so in the GoToMeeting website, you can redirect to pages, pricing, facts, supports pages when you click on these menus. Okay, so here we have two types of menus. So navigations are very easy to use, very easy to use in web applications. Okay, a navigation bar needs standard HTML. Okay, so we need standard HTML to implement navigation bars. So here with two types of navigations. And navigations. First one is vertical navigation, and the second one is horizontal navigation. Okay, so these are the two types of navigations available. So to build vertical navigation bars, we need to style the anchor tags. Okay, we need to style the anchor tags in addition to the code. So we have to apply some CSS properties to implement the navigation bars. Okay, vertical navigations. Okay, so like if you go Cybersys website, okay, you can open with the cybersys.com website. Okay, here you can see home, company, solution, services, and products. Okay, you can take this website as example. So this is vertical navigation bar, and when you uh, go to here delivery page, you can redirect to delivery page when you click on this menu. You can find it here. So this is also menu. Okay, company, mission, services, advantage, okay, clients, partners. So this is vertical menu and this is horizontal menu, right? So this is one type of navigation bar and this is one type of navigation bar. So we can implement one example. Well, just create one HTML form that is vertical, otherwise rename it navigation dot html. Okay, just remove this CSS properties, and here also we can remove these three paragraphs. Okay, so standard HTML tags is here. So I want to implement one navigation, okay, vertical navigation. So just use another list and li tags. Okay, in li tags we have to use anchor tag. Okay, anchor tags to redirect from one page to another page. We can take the menus like home, company, solutions, and contact us. Okay, services and contact us. Home, uh, products, services, and contact us. Okay, in our example application we have four menus. So we need to style anchor tags to get this type of styles. Okay, vertical navigations. So first of all, using style tag we have to include the CSS properties in HTML form. So just create one class, that is my menu is the class name. So use this class name to this another list. Okay, so now width is width 15 pixels. Okay, that is main class. My menu, in main menu we have li tag. Okay, for li tag, list style none, next background color. Okay, uh, background color is you can take background color as red color. Next one is so just border top 2 pixel and solid, and the border color is the border top color. Border top color is blue color, and text element left element, next margin 0. Next, in my menu class we have li tag. In li tag we have anchor tag. For this anchor tag, display block and text decoration none, text decoration none, and the padding is 20 pixel, otherwise just use 16 pixel only for padding. And border bottom 2 pixel solid, and the border bottom also same as uh, blue color we can use. And border right, border left, solid, and 4 pixel. uh, Border width is 4 pixel, and the border color is okay. This is the color for left side border. Okay, so first main menu class. Okay, this class only another list width, and second class is these styles for li tag and these styles for anchor tags. href is empty tag, empty path, empty path. Okay, so now run this example. Navigations, you can see home menu, products, and services and contacts. Okay, we have to increase this. The width is okay, 90 pixel, and the background color for li tag margin 0. Okay, 126 pixels. Next text color is it is not working here. Okay, so these two properties in for anchor tag. Okay, next width 126 pixel for li tag. Okay, so now refresh this example again. Okay, so here is the styles for vertical navigation bar. Okay, home, products, services, and contactors. Okay, so here hover style also is there. Okay, so when mouse is moving, so hover style is coming. Okay, to display like hover styles, you can use for anchor tags. We can write anchor tag hover style. Background color, which one we can use background color for hover style. Okay, this color we can use, and text color is always here. Text color is okay. So remove this one. Check this once exam once. You can see okay hover style is coming. Okay, these are the styles for vertical navigation menu. Okay, so we have to create home page, products page, services page, and the contact us page in our application. Okay, when you click on these links, it will redirect to appropriate particular page. Okay, like this we can implement a horizontal navigation bar like this. Okay, so I will show one example. So already implemented in the previous session. Horizontal navigation bar. You can see home, company, products, and the services. Okay, so this is submenu. In services, services 1 and services 2 is the submenus, and this is main menu. Okay, this is single menus. To implement this horizontal menu, we have to write some these properties. Okay, so as it is, we have to use another list, and for another list, anchor tags, home, company, okay, products, and this is the services menu. For services, we have two submenus. Okay, services 1 and services 2. Okay, and we have written some classes also. Okay, drop down and drop down content. Okay, drop btn. So these are the three classes is there. So this one is for another list style type none, margin 0, padding 0, and the background color is black color, and overflow hidden. And for li tag, float left. And in li tag we have anchor tags. For anchor tags, and one more class is there. Okay, drop btn. Drop btn for services main menu. Display inline block, white color, text, and text align center, padding, and text decoration. And this is for hover styles for submenus. Okay, like hover style. Okay, it will display red color for hover style. And the second one is drop down. So this is for submenus, and this is also for submenus. Okay, display on absolute position, and the background color box shadow property. Okay, this box shadow property is for display the shadow for submenus. Okay, You can see here shadow for submenus list in the background, and drop down content, and this is hover styles. Okay, when our mouse enter into the menu, submenus will display. Okay, this is for hover styles. Okay, so try to do one example on this horizontal menu. Okay, and this is example for vertical menu, and this is for horizontal menu. Okay, it will take some time to write these properties, so that I'm showing this code only. Next one, uh, opacity property. Okay, opacity or transparency. Okay, opacity or transparency. So using CSS, we can create transparent images using CSS opacity property. We can create transparent images, and creating transparent images are very easy using opacity property. Syntax: opacity property, and opacity property can take the values between 0 and 1. This property can accept the values from 0 and 1. Again, like values 0.88, okay, or 0.8, 0.9. So like this you can give the values. Okay, 0.4, like this. Opacity and 0.4. Okay, if you give the value 0, opacity 0, so total image is transparent. Okay, if the value is opacity 1, the image will display with the total complete transparency. Okay, with the full opacity. For example, use on image tag and href, not href, source. Here we have desert.jpg, and height 200 pixels, width also 200 pixels, mm, alt attribute desert.jpg. Okay, so if you run this example, the image will display with the full opacity. Okay, full opacity is displaying. For example, you want to display this image with the transparency, use opacity property and 0.4. So save this and run this example. You can see this image Okay, image is displaying with the opacity. And you can change the value like 0.8, okay, 0.0004, like this you can give. Okay, 0.8. If you give this 0, the image fully transparent. And if the value is opacity 1, the image will display with the full opacity. And next one, for older versions of IA, we have to use filter property. Okay, filter property for IA, use alpha and alpha opacity equal to 40. So 40 is equal to 0.4. Okay, you can check this filter property and alpha opacity 40. So this filter property is not support to the Chrome. So copy this path. Okay, so this is for older versions of IE, so that it is not working for latest version of IE. Okay, use opacity only for new version also. Okay, and we can give the hover style also. Whenever mouse pointer enter into the particular image, the image will display with the full opacity 1. Okay, so now run this example. Okay, whenever mouse enter into that particular image, the image will display with the full opacity. Next one is uh, border styles. Border styles already completed. Next one is shadow. Shadows. Okay, using CSS3 box shadow property. Okay, we can apply shadows for the HTML elements and the text content using CSS3 box shadow property. We can apply shadows for HTML elements HTML elements and text content. Okay, now we can apply shadow for text also. So here we have two types of shadows. One is box shadow, second one is text shadow. Okay, first one, box shadow. Okay. Um, so using box shadow property, we can apply shadow for HTML elements, and using text shadow property, this property, we can apply shadow for text content. Okay, so here the syntax for box shadow property. Box shadow property, and we can apply like 10 pixel, 10 pixel, and the color is shadow color, gray color. And for text shadow also same. Use text shadow property. Mm, shadow is 1 pixel for text, 1 pixel, and a black color shadow. Okay, for text. So like this we can apply. So for example, uh, we can apply shadow for image. Okay, use box shadow property, shadow, and 10 pixel, 10 pixel, and gray. Okay, save this and run this example. You can see here shadow is displaying, okay, in the background of image. You can see, okay, shadow is appearing in the background image. So we can change this shadow to the fade effects, 10 pixel. The shadow will display like this. Okay, so like this you can apply shadow for HTML elements. And also we can take one paragraph. This is my sample paragraph for text shadow property. Okay, so now we can apply shadow for text also. Use element selector P, text color is red color. Otherwise, okay, we can remove this color. Just use text shadow property, 1 pixel, 1 pixel, and a 2 pixel and a red color shadow. Okay, and size font size is 18 pixel. So now refresh this one example. Once this example, so font size is 30 pixel. You can see, so shadow is appearing for text. Uh, so here we can include comma. So now comma here. Just increase this shadow up to 4 pixel. Okay, only 1 pixel and 4 pixel. So just increase this. Okay, so if you increase this value, so the shadow is moving from left to right. Okay, and if you increase this one value, it will move to from top to bottom. Okay, like this we can arrange the position for shadow also. Okay, text shadow property and 2 pixel, 2 pixel and 4 pixel and shadow for shadow color. The shadow text color. This is red color. And one more property is one more property is um, border radius property. The border radius property. This property allows us to create rounded corners for HTML elements. Okay, I will show an example. One second. So one real-time example, you can see in GoToMeeting website. Here, start my free trial button is here. Okay, this is one button, and in this button, uh, text color is white, and the border style is solid border. Okay, with the rounded corner. You can see. So this is the rounded corner. Okay, left side and right side. So like this, we can apply rounded corners for the buttons. Buttons are text boxes. Okay, just use syntax for this border radius property and 20 pixel. Okay, if you define like this border radius property, so rounded corners will apply for the HTML element. So just so we can take one button here, input type equal to button, button, and value here, start my free trial. Okay, this is our your button name, and close this button. Okay, so run this example once. Just only button is displaying, okay, without any styles. Okay, we can take id or class, uh, spirit trail btn. Okay, that is class name. Height, button height is 40 pixel, and width is 60 pixel. Next, text color is white color. um, Background color, so background color is light yellow color, otherwise thick yellow color we can use. Okay, button height 40, width 60 pixel, and the text color is white, and the background color is yellow color. So now apply this class name to this button. So use class attribute, okay, and apply class name here. Now run this example. So button styles is applied, but width is, you can see, 14 percentage. Okay, 14 percentage width. Okay, so square corners is appearing here for button. Okay, so like this we want to apply rounded corners. Use border radius property, and 25 pixel. Okay, border is 25 pixel. So now refresh this example. Here you can see where rounded corners is applied for button. Okay, and also you can apply hover styles like this. You can like this button, hover styles, rounded border styles. Okay, border color, like this you can apply. Okay, this is for button, and text box also you can apply same like this. Use input type equal to text, and placeholder equal to enter your name, and close this button, the text box, and the class name is my text box. Okay, so this is the class name. Text box text color is red color. Font size 25 pixel. Okay, next use border radius property 30 pixel. Okay, Save this file, run this example. Okay, this is our text box. So just apply border color also. Border 2 pixel solid, and border color is okay. This is border color. Now run this example again. You can see, so this is the text box with the border styles. Okay, that is rounded corners. Okay, so use border radius property to apply rounded corners for any HTML element like a button or text box. Okay, and for div tags also we can apply. So just take one div tag with some content. Uh, Take this our content for div tag and apply same styles. Okay, my div tag. So class name is my div. So apply this class name for div tag, and div tag height 200 pixel and width also 200 pixel. Text color is white, background color is yellow color is okay, fine. And the border radius is 25 pixel, and the border also we can use. Okay, pink color border. So now refresh this one once. So we can use padding also. Padding 20 pixels. Okay, for div tag also we can apply rounded corners. Okay, text box, button, okay, div tag, and paragraph also you can apply rounded corners. Okay, so these are the concepts in CSS.